Microorganisms. Hello everyone, Learning New welcomes you, and today we will be knowing about microorganisms. So, what are microorganisms? Organisms that are so small that they can only be seen through a microscope are called microorganisms or microbes. Without a microscope, we cannot see microbes. Earlier, when no microscopes were available, the smallest organisms known to humans were the ants, lice, and fleas. Antony van Leeuwenhoek became the first man to invent and use a real microscope. He is regarded as the father of microbiology. Micro means small, whereas organisms means living organisms. Examples of microbes: bacteria, coronavirus, amoeba and paramecium, algae, mushroom, fungus. The scientists who study microbes are called microbiologists, whereas the study of microorganisms is called microbiology. Where are microbes found? Most microorganisms are hardy and can be found in almost any kind of environment. They are found in the hottest of deserts and in the coolest, icy polar regions. Some microbes live in cracks in the sea floor. Some microbes can even survive a volcanic eruption. Microorganisms are found in salt water, in marshland, and even inside our body. Microorganisms are hardy because they form a hard outer covering called a cyst around themselves. They do this when conditions are not favorable, such as under extreme conditions of temperature and dryness. They survive by remaining inactive within the cyst until conditions are favorable again. To observe and show microbes, take a drop of pond water and look at it carefully. Can you see any living organisms? Now, put this drop of water on a glass slide and examine it under a light microscope. We can observe organisms floating or moving swiftly. These are microbes. Types of microorganisms. There are 5 major groups of microbes. They are bacteria, algae, protozoa, fungi, and viruses. In the next segment, we will further be knowing about the major groups of microorganisms in detail. Stay tuned.